What is going on, guys? My name is Kostulas. I am the owner of Balance Media Productions. I have my own advertising agency here in Long Island, New York. And basically what I do is I help people grow their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how I go about prospecting my clients so you guys can have a better understanding of how to pick up clients. Whether you're looking to make this a full-time thing or a part-time thing, this video can 100% help you. So without further ado, we're gonna hop into my laptop. I don't wanna waste any of your time, so let's get right into it. All right, guys, so welcome to my laptop. Let's jump right into the keynote. All right, so how do I go about prospecting clients from my social media advertising agency? All right, so to start it off, we're gonna go with cold calls. Now, basically what I do is I go after local businesses. I like businesses that are very close to my house, convenient for me to drive to, and also that provide value to me, so I will go over, if you guys stay to the end of the video, I'll show you my clients and the reason I picked them up and why I work with them and whatnot. But I'm going to show you, if you're starting from scratch and you want to learn how to get your first client, this is how to do it. So when it comes to social media marketing, what you want to do is you want to scout local businesses on your laptop or desktop, meaning you want to go on Google and you want to search businesses that are in your local area, okay? After you do that, after you find a business, very simple, next thing you're going to do is you're going to call them. And what you're going to do is when you call whatever business, you're going to introduce yourself and your company. Now, the hard part is finding the business owner and getting past the gatekeeper. So when it comes to making a call to a business, there's always going to be a gatekeeper. There's always going to be a secretary sitting there who's in charge of giving the business owner, messages and information, yada, yada, yada. So to get past the gatekeeper, my signature, saying is simply, "Hi, my name is Kostulas. I have my own social media advertising agency. I'd love to talk to whoever's in charge of marketing." Real simple. And then if they tell me they're not there, I will ask them when a good day for me to call back will be, and then I kind of figure out, all right, they said they're not there Tuesday, but they'll be there Thursday. I'll make a note of that, and then I'll write it down in my notes. So I'll write it down on Trello. I'll show you guys how I use Trello and how I go about organizing everything. But for the most part, let's just stay with the slideshow. Another way that I go about getting clients is walk-ins. This is honestly my favorite way to get clients because there's something about a face-to-face interaction that ultimately will land you the sale. It'll ultimately give that business owner confidence in you because it's a lot harder to tell you no when you're right in front of the person opposed to you being on the phone with them. I know a lot of people are very much married to the cold call. I don't blame you. Cold calling is cool. You're sitting there on your computer, you're comfortable in your bedroom, whatever. But in my personal opinion, the way that I've gotten my best clients is just walking in there, showing my face, and basically reading off my script that's sort of disguised. I'll show you what I mean by that. So basically, the free script is in my Balance University Facebook group. We'll get into that. We'll go there. I'll show you what the script is and basically what I say to the business owner so that they give me an opportunity. Now, you guys, especially if you're new, you're going to be nervous. Trying to talk to a business owner, not easy. Even talking to the gatekeeper, not easy. The person that's not even in charge of handing you a check, So that's why having a script is so lucrative. If I give you exactly what to say, then it makes life so much easier. And it's not like you have to memorize the script either, because in a way, you're trying to not only convince the business owner that your service is worth it and valuable, but you also have to get them to understand what it is that you're selling on a scale of 1 to 10. So get to a 10 the best way possible. And in my opinion, the best way possible is to have that script handy so that when you're reading it to him, he can look at it simultaneously so he doesn't miss or forget anything. So the script is awesome, and it'll help you get past the gatekeeper and find the business owner. And then once you find the business owner, you got 2 to 5 minutes to impress him, no pressure. All right, onboarding new clients. So what you have to ultimately do to get a new client is very simple. you got to just get their card on file or their personal username and password, because when it comes to setting up a Facebook ad for a business owner, you have to go into their business manager and you have to do that with their money, obviously. So what you want to do is you want to figure out what their ad budget is, right? And that's going to be in the script. I'll show you when to say that. But the ad budget is essential for figuring out if it's worth working with the client. So if a person has an ad budget of $1,500 to $2,000, then you're great. Be like, listen, all right, if I can deliver, you basically got to ask them when you're on the meetings, like, what's successful in their eyes. So it's very important for you guys to understand, like, you guys have to define how much you're worth, and you have to make them believe that you're worth that much money. Now, it's very hard to do that if you don't have a testimonial, and it's very hard to do that if you don't have any analytical proof of you actually knowing what you're doing. Okay? So the best way to show off a testimonial, in my opinion, is to just take a screenshot of a sponsored ad that you see on Facebook or Instagram and show it to them. Be like, listen, this is the type of thing that I can do for you. I'm brand new to this. I'm looking to build up my client base. I'm willing to do a 2-week free trial for you. This is an example of what I can do for you. So you can show them screenshots or whatever. So what you want to do is get their card on file or get their username and password and set up the ad as if they're them, because then you don't have to get their card on file. Their card is most likely already on their business manager, unless they've never run ads before, So these are the type of questions you have to ask. These 3 questions, this is all you need, all right? And the third one isn't even a question, all right? And the next thing you gotta do is you gotta get admin access to their Instagram and Facebook. So that way, when you sign in, you can post for them, you can edit for them, you can advertise for them, you can delete posts for them. Being an admin gives you administration access to their whole business. And this is great. This is exactly what you want, okay? So once this is said and done, and you make them the ad, if you guys are completely confused on even how to make an ad, we'll get there. Hang tight. This is a video that's going to show you how to go about getting the clients, okay? I'm going to be making new videos weekly. I'm not sure about the quantity and the rate of how often I'm going to release videos, but I'm going to do my best to give you everything that I know. Because if you win, I win, right? It's a matter of admiration for me. I could care less if you buy my course. I'd much rather you post, oh my God, like, Nick helped me get my first client and he didn't even ask me for money. Like, fuck yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's a testimonial. That's a testimonial for my business. You know what I'm saying? The same way you're looking for a testimonial, the same way I will give you free content, like the content you're absorbing right now. It's technically a testimonial for me. If you respond back to me and you comment, oh my God, like, this video helped me so much, whatever, that's influencing other people to go, all right, this kid knows what he's talking about. Let's give him a chance. The same way, if you have a testimonial for a pizzeria and you get them 200 new followers in a month, you now have that testimonial to go to any other place and be like, listen, these are the results that I got them, which obviously increases their trust in you in a scale of 1 to 10. So your whole goal is to get them to understand what your service is on a scale of 1 to 10. You want to get them to a 10. You want to get them to trust you on a scale of 1 to 10. And obviously, you got to deliver results from a scale of 1 to 10. And you want to make sure that they believe that you're a 10 out of 10 in all 3 of those categories. So if you guys are interested in social media marketing and you guys are thinking about opening up your own agency and becoming your own boss, sign up for a free 15-minute call with me. The link will be in the description. I've been in business now for about 2 years. I've made a little over $20,000 working with all different types of industries and niches. All right, guys, so I hope you found this video interesting and I hope you found some value with it. Like I said, everything's in the description down below. I have a bunch of different ways that I can help you, whether it's a Facebook group, whether it's answering a couple of your questions on Instagram DM, or if you want to talk to me person to person, very simple, just sign up for a call with me, all right? So if you guys have any more questions going forward, I'll make you a video. I literally want to answer 1 question per day and get as much content out there as possible, because at the end of the day, how many people did you help and how many people did you deliver value to? So that's what I'm thinking. That's my mindset going forward. I just want to help you guys, because teaching you guys ultimately helps me learn the most, you know? Because if I see a question you guys ask me, I'm going to go out of my way to make you a presentation, a keynote, and I'm going to put deep thought into helping you guys understand and answer your question to its entirety. I don't care if you guys have dumb questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question. I appreciate your interest, and I really will do my best to help you, okay? Because like I said before in the video, guys, it's a win-win when you win. If I help you and you win and you get a client, I'm winning ridiculously. So we're on the same team. We are all on the same page.